Alright, so today I have a pretty cool product I want to show you guys. I managed to come across this on Instagram, saw some fellow riders with it. I reached out to them and I ordered a pair. This is a product from Ricochet Off-Road, and what you're about ready to see is an unboxing video. So let's get this started and I'll tell you a little bit more about it. Mounting hardware. Look at this beauty. This is going to be their anodized black. Really nicely done. So that's one color. I should have a few different color options to show you guys. So we'll set this to the side for right now. This looks like the blue. Yeah, it's the blue. So this is done without their logo. It's just the pressed version. Very nice color scheme. We'll see how it matches up to the GS Rally color. And this one is the red one. That's nice too. So we've got some hard color choices here. And this looks like the last one. Yep. So you see this one, they didn't put their logo on, but they put the GS logo. And I believe this is the gunmetal color. All right, I'll lay them all out and show you guys what they all look like together. All right, so they're all laid out for you. We've got the anodized red, the anodized black, gunmetal, and their anodized blue. You can get it with the Ricochet logo, with a GS logo, or just flat pressed, no logos. And stay tuned, I'm gonna install these on my bike so you guys get to see what they look like on a 2018 R1200 GSA Rally. Down below in my description there will be a link to their website. These are going to run you between $90 to $120, and shortly I'll be releasing a install video on these as well. I would appreciate a like or a subscribe or both, whatever you're feeling up to. And until next time, ride safe.